Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you interested in finding a good platform to start investing, trading and earning money from crypto? Then you came to the right video, because today we'll be talking about Bitrue, a platform that has it all, and we'll go through it in the next few minutes. But first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not a financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on Bitrue. What's going on and what's it all about? Well, it's a very comprehensive platform to start your journey with cryptocurrency. As you can see, it's very well structured. Everything is at your fingertips. The platform is very intuitive and everything is well plotted in front of you. So you can have all the information in a very concise way and in a very easy to understand way. As you can see here, it's a one-stop trading platform, meaning that you can just almost have anything you want from the cryptocurrency industry within this platform. So you can spot trade, you can future trade, you can leverage ETFs, you can buy crypto, you can sell crypto, you can earn from crypto, and you can have reward centers, and you can also vote for coins to join Bitrue, meaning that you can have a saying in the decision and in the steering of this platform and on this project. As you can see here, the 24 hours volume was over 341 million US dollars, and the security team is available 24/7, meaning that you can always have support, always have assistance whenever you need it. Reliable security, quick deposit and withdrawal, and technical stability, XRP focused as well. That's all the main factors here with this platform. And here you can, of course, now the standard to have it on Apple iOS devices and also Google Play if you're an Android user. And of course, you can also use it here as a PC or an online platform. You can meet the team, you can join the community, and you can have all the information you need within the site itself. So let's go scroll up towards the upside and see what's going on here and what are the major perks and advantages for this platform. Well, first of all, you can buy, trade and invest in more than 700 cryptocurrencies, meaning that you can have over 700 cryptocurrencies at your fingertips. You can buy them on the spot, you can sell them on the spot, and you can have enough liquidity, and you can be rest assured that things are enough in this platform. So that adds a layer of security for you as an investor or as a trader to know that things are going well. And as you can see here, they're also offering flexible staking. We will touch on staking and earning, but here you can find that everything also is just very organized in front of you as the top gainers, top losers, and the USDT futures and the coin M futures, USDC futures, and you listed, meaning that you can have a glimpse here of what's booming in the market, what's moving in the market. There's a coin called LBR that's apparently going absolutely insane. 24 hours change 1212%. So apparently I missed out on this one, but it's quite interesting to see that things are moving that severely and with that much volatility in the market. And you can have here a look at the hot sectors, meme coins, layer 2, smart contracts, and web3. So things are very organized in front of you, and you can scroll, you can understand more, you can inform yourself more at the first glimpse here on this platform. So let's go here and see what are the major advantages. Well, first of all, you can buy and sell immediately. You can just go and buy certain cryptocurrency using your Visa or MasterCard or Apple Play even, and you can have it in few steps without much hustle. You can just go there and get things going, and also you can sell it with a similar ease to how you bought it. So trading here would be trading on the spot and trading ETFs. So as you can see, that's a spot trading, meaning that you're not having any leverage. You can just buy on the spot, meaning that you want one BTC, you can get one BTC. You want 0.5 BTC, you can just get 0.5 BTC. No action here, no drama, and it's easy to understand the classical way. Nothing is moved around here. And also you have the ETF crypto trading at leverage multiples. So here you might be a little bit careful and you need to know what you're doing. Here you can have it with a little bit of leverage. So here you can have the derivatives, meaning that you can trade futures. Futures, in a nutshell, for those of you who don't know it, meaning that you're somehow betting on the price to go in a certain direction, meaning that, let's open USDT futures, you are betting that the price of BTC against USD is going to go towards the upside, meaning that you can open a long trade and then you can put a certain leverage over here, and you can have it, as you can see here, cross leverage, or you can have a limited or an isolated leverage, and then you can choose how many or how much multiples do you want, 5x, 10x, 100x, that's up to you. My humble advice, never cross 10x because it can be very risky, and if you're not really well with trading and you don't know what you're doing, things can get draining your account in a second. So that's on you. You need to understand the layer of risk also that comes with future trading, but it can be also very profitable. So it's not really a win-win situation, it's a high risk, high reward situation. So you would need to understand that, and you need to do your own studies and to assess your financial ability to enter such a risky position in the first place. So that's completely on you, and you have to do your own homework here. But again, here it's in a very structured way, easy to understand, easy to grasp, and easy to use as well. So you can have all the things you need here. You can have it BTC, XRP, Ethereum. You can have all the coins you need in the future tradings, and they're also voting for new coins to join, meaning that you can have a saying whenever you're interested about a coin. You can vote for this specific coin to join also on the platform. And now we can go to earning. Earning here is a very hot topic for this platform. Here you can have the staking in simple forms, meaning that you can lock certain amount of coins for a certain period of time, and then you can get an API, meaning that you can get a percentage on your investment, like if you're depositing some money on a bank, and it will give you an interest rate over time, and you can have a passive income in this form. So that's a very simple way. Many people are doing that. Many people are doing that with Ethereum. Many people are doing that with Bitcoin. Many people are doing that even with USD. So you can have that in a very good way. And here we have the Power Piggy. Power Piggy here, that's quite an interesting concept, and they have their own little approach to that. So let me open here a file and we can go through what's going on here. Here, if you're interested in generating passive income and enhancing your wealth through the cryptocurrency, they provide an excellent platform for staking with unique features and benefits. Here are the options. 1. Power Piggy. Power Piggy is the ultimate choice for token holders seeking simple and flexible staking options, and that's offering an attractive APYs to many available staking options. You can earn daily interest on your staked coins directly deposited to your account, and here there is no lockup period, and you have the total control over your assets, meaning that you're just getting this piggy thing, this coin things that you can put the coin in, and whenever you have any need, you can just crash it, open it, take your money, and that's it. So it's quite a flexible way and a very interesting approach for staking, in a more friendly way and in a more not really that restrictive way. So over here, you can have the Power Piggy, and you can inform yourself more. Everything is linked down below in the description, but I'm just walking you through the whole concept here, and you can explore the available coins here with their respective APYs and choose your preferred coins ranging from the Solana, XLM, TRX, and recently also they're adding more and more coins, and you can click start now or stake now to your selecting staking option and provide your investment details and then confirm it, and then we'll start at daily, and this will be in your account around 16 UTC. So that's also for your to know when the counting will start. That's going to be deposited at 16 o'clock or 4 o'clock UTC. Farm staking also is an option for you here if you like staking and farming. Farming is somehow also similar, but in a different way or a different approach. That's also another favorite option for token holders to earn higher returns by staking their assets for a certain amount of time with high APYs offering. You can earn interest based on the fixed staking options and durations available, meaning that you're just putting it and locking it for a certain amount of time, and going there you will find these examples on how to use them, how to get familiar with farming, and how to get familiar with the coins available. So you can check it also down below in the description, and you can even familiarize yourself more about the staking options over here. They're also adding more and more coins and more pairs. So you will have Ethereum, you will have Cardano, you will have a lot of coins, a lot of hyped coins, and a lot of stable coins, and a lot of classical coins. So you have full control over whatever you want to invest in, how you want to invest, whether you want to invest long term, short term, you want more flexibility, you don't want flexibility and you want to lock it up for a certain period of time. That's completely up to you, and you would have to decide for yourself what do you want to do. And here also they have the BTR lockups. That's an exclusive investment for BTR holders, and that's also available on this platform. You will find a lot of interesting interest rates over here, so you can also familiarize yourself and you can see how things are going and whether it's suitable for you or not. And also here you will have the loans that borrow a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and here you would need to get yourself familiar with the concept of borrowing, so whether it's something you want or not, so you need to adjust that within yourself and within your financial capabilities. But here that's also as an option is available over here. And here they also having the staking 101, meaning that you can start learning more about staking and you can familiarize yourself with the concept of staking. And here you can have an overview of the whole concept and you can get started. So here at the Bitrue partners, here you can have a look at the partners and the major names in the market, and also the major traders within the trading platform. And also you can have a look at the commission rules and events and rates and everything. So if you're a good traders and if you know what you're doing and you want people to follow you and you want people to gain some inspiration from your trades, so you can apply here and people will follow you and they will generate volume in the market. And of course you can have a portion for that as an additional profit for you. So here also you can have a look at the rewards center and bonuses. So you will have the hot events upcoming, XRP holders exclusive, you can win up to 1000 USDT rewards, and also you can have the ARB airdrop. So things are quite interesting in the platform. They have a lot of perks, a lot of advantages. So I would highly advise you to check the link down below, understand it more, get yourself more familiar with the whole concept. It's quite a classical concept, but they're having a lot of advantages here in the earning and derivative sections. So if you want to earn passively, then probably that's one to check out. And if you want just to trade around and buy and sell cryptocurrencies, then that's also an option for you. And everything is well structured and well put in front of you, so you can read it more, you can understand it, and you can grasp the whole idea. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Bitrue. All the things you need to know about this platform is available here in the description. You can go through it, you can understand more about the perks and advantages that I told you about, and things are getting moving again in the cryptocurrency industry. So my humble advice for you is check it out, see what's going on, and understand it more. So as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also check out our other videos for more crypto information. And as usual, hit the subscribe button and see you next time. Bye bye.